Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS, and today we are back with one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024, and the question belongs to the numbers topic. The question is, how many consecutive zeros are there at the end of the integer obtained in the product? So I'm not going into this, but this type of questions are generally asked. You will see at various exams you will get that number of zeros. ऐसे पूछे जाते हैं कि number of zeros कितने होंगे. तो let's look at, तो zero कब बनता है? 10. 100 में दो जीरो, 10 में एक जीरो. 10 कब बनेगा? 2 into 5. That means whenever I am having a pair of 2 into 5, I'll get a zero. So what should be my task? The question is 1 into the power 2, 2 to the power 4, into 3 to the power 6, into 4 to the power 8, into, and it is going to 25 to the power 50, right? So I have to count the pair of 2 and 5. That means count of 5, also the count of 2. Now generally what you will see is 2's are always in ample amount, 5 we will get in less amount. Okay, why? We will look at it. See, we are having 2 to the power 4, this one is 4 to the power 8, this will come out to be 2 to the power 16. Okay, so that means we are already having 2 to the power in excess. So our task only remains to count the number of 5. So 5, where will we will get? 5 to the power this one, after 1 2 3 4, 5 to the power 10. Okay, and it will come out to be, next is 10 to the power 20, next is 15 to the power 30, next is 20 to the power 40, next is 25 to the power 50. Here, so यहाँ पे कितना है? 5 की 10, यहाँ पे भी एक 5 into 2 है, तो यहाँ पे +20, प्लस यहाँ पे 5 into 3, that means 5 की 30 powers, next 5 into 4, so 5 की 40 powers, 5 into 5, so this turns out to be 5 to the power 2 to the power 50, so this becomes 5 to the power 100. So this is my total, the count of powers of 5, and this is going to be 100 plus 40 plus 30 170 plus 20 190 plus 10, and that is 200. Now see, we are already having 200 as the maximum option, so that is going to be my answer. Let's see for the count of 2, it's going to be 2 to the power 4, here we are getting 4 to the power 8, we will get to the power 16, which turns out to be 2 to the power 48. You can see that the powers of 2 will be in excess. Okay, let's jump on to our today's practice question. It is also similar. How many consecutive zeros are there at the end of the integer obtained in the product? 10 to the power 100 into 20 to the power 50 into 30 to the power 20. I hope you all will be able to solve this one, and you can get the solution on our Telegram channel. I'll send here. Okay, thank you. We'll meet again.